In every part of the world where automatic gate systems are sold and installed, there are consumers with myriad questions about those very gate systems. Interestingly, no matter the part of the world, the questions are often the same. Where do many consumers first turn to find the answers to their questions? The internet, of course. They wonder, how much does a gate system cost? What are the different types of driveway gates and which one is best for my application? What should I look for in a gate installation company? How long will the install take and what's the process? In fact, consumers have so many questions about automatic gates that the terms driveway gates and automatic gates are searched for over 20,000 times each month in the US alone. Unfortunately, there hasn't been a central place for consumers to easily find the answers they seek, and when answers can be found, they are spoken in the language of a technician and not of a consumer. Automatic Gate Resource Center was developed with the consumer in mind. AGRC is a comprehensive online reference on automatic driveway gates. We educate consumers and connect them with professional gate installers to create beautiful and safe automatic gates. The site's many short, often witty, information-packed articles offer simple answers to common yet complex questions, such as, how much does an automatic driveway gate cost? Our related and popular articles sections allow consumers to delve more deeply into the demystified world of automated gates. AGRC also features free interactive tools. One popular tool lets consumers rate and compare contractors on more than just price, and another allows consumers to design their ideal gate system and subsequently view the typical price range of such a system. Once their questions are answered and they're ready to design their ideal gate, consumers can check out our unique gate photo gallery where we feature gates from all across the United States and beyond. When they're ready to see the gate of their dreams become a reality, site visitors can complete one of our tailored contact forms. We then speed their information along to 3 AGRC installers in their local area. But we're not only here to help consumers conduct research. At AGRC, gate installers, manufacturers, and distributors can expand their installation and service knowledge. We believe that, through sharing advice and information with each other, we can cooperatively raise the level of professionalism and competence in our field. As an AGRC member, an installer, manufacturer, or distributor can log in and access a bevy of site features not available to casual visitors. For instance, in our forum, members can discuss installations, service calls, and new products with other gate professionals. Technical issues in the field are easily solvable when you can bounce ideas off of each other and formulate solutions with the help of others. We curate and make available all of the industry news that is worthwhile in one central location, allowing our members to stay up to date on our constantly growing and advancing industry and be the kind of professional who can easily answer consumers' complex questions and who can apply the latest solutions to solve problems. Our rich knowledge base is a depository for our collective knowledge on the how-tos of the installation of gates, gate openers, and accessories. It's filled with an ever-growing library of step-by-step instructions and video tutorials and training. Whether you're a consumer or a gate pro, get the answers you need at automaticgateinfo.com.